How to change battle tag on battle.net. Are you guys facing issues to change up your battle tag on battle.net application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change a battle tag on battle.net application, first of all open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, it will be forwarded to this home page. Now just simply look at the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. After clicking it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply select Change Battle Tag. After tap on it, you need to log in into your account again. After you log in into your account, you'll be forwarded to this interface. As soon as you get into that interface, you need to purchase battle tag, and in order to purchase the battle tag, you need to write down your card details like your CVV number, your Visa card number. As soon as you write it down, then you'll be able to purchase it. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna change battle tag on your battle.net account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.